everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see some important 1 mark questions of the chapter Electricity. What is the SI unit of electric potential? Volt is the SI unit of electric potential. When is potential difference between 2 points said to be 1 volt? The potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt if the amount of work done in bringing 1 coulomb charge between them is 1 joule. State Ohm's law. If the physical conditions of a conductor remain same, then current through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between the two ends of the conductor. Mention one reason why tungsten is used for making filament of electric lamp. Tungsten is used for making filament because of its high melting point and low resistivity. Name the instrument or device used to measure the electric current in a circuit. Ammeter is used to measure the electric current. How is an ammeter connected in circuit to measure the current flowing through it? Ammeter is connected in series in an electric circuit. Give an example of a metal which is the best conductor of heat. Gold, silver, copper, etc. metals are good conductors of heat. What happens to the resistance of a conductor when the length of the conductor is reduced to half? Resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. If length becomes half, the resistance also becomes half of its initial value. What happens to the resistance of a conductor when temperature is increased? The resistance of a conductor increases with rise in temperature. Write the SI unit of resistivity. The SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Why do we use copper and aluminium wire for transmission of electric circuit? Copper and aluminium wires are used for electric transmission due to their low resistivity. Define electric circuit. Distinguish between open and closed circuit. Electric circuit is the arrangement in which the electric current can flow when circuit is switched on. In open circuit, there is no flow of current as the switch is off. In closed circuit, a current flows in the circuit when switch is on. What is the resistance of an ideal voltmeter? The resistance of an ideal voltmeter is infinite. In an electric circuit, state the relationship between the direction of the conventional current and the direction of the flow of electrons. Electrons flows from negative terminal to positive terminal, whereas current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal in the external circuit, that is conventional current, and electrons flow are opposite to each other. State a difference between the wire used in the element of an electric heater and in a fuse wire. The wire used in the element of an electric heater has high resistance and high melting point, whereas fuse wire has a low resistance and low melting point. Name the device or instrument used to measure the potential difference. How is it connected in an electric circuit? The device which is used to measure the potential difference is voltmeter. Voltmeter is connected in parallel in an electric circuit. Why is much less heat generated in long electric cables than in the filaments of electric bulbs? Electric cables are made up of thick good conductor, whereas filaments are made up of thin tungsten wire whose resistance is high. The resistance of electric cables is very less, so heat produced in cable is much lesser than filaments. Is electric potential a scalar or vector physical quantity? Electric potential is a scalar physical quantity. Mention the condition under which charges can move in a conductor. Name the device which is used to maintain this condition in an electric circuit. When a potential difference is applied across the two ends of the conductor, charges will move in the conductor. Potential difference is applied by a cell to maintain the charge to move. How does the use of fuse wire protect the electrical appliances? If a current larger than the specified value flows in the circuit, the temperature of the fuse wire increases its melting point. The fuse wire melts and the circuit breaks. In this way, the fuse wire protects the electric appliances. What is variable resistance? Variable resistance is a component used to regulate the current without changing the voltage source. What is the source of the electric charge? The source of the electric charge is cells or batteries.